I'm going to elaborate on the CRISP-DM cycle you've seen in the chapter 1 of Provost and Fawcett. The CRISP-DM cycle just seems to describe the different steps in the data mining process. However, there is much more to it. One of the things you can do with the cycle is discovering and telling apart different forms of data science. In particular, you can discover two main groups of data science. First of all, you can distinguish data science that runs full circle from business understanding all the way via modeling and evaluation to deployment, and in that way you mostly end up with an IT product. Or you can, let's go back a bit, you can get stuck after 2/3 of the cycle, and in that way you mostly end up with consultancy. I give you as a first example Netflix. At Netflix you can see both forms of IT, of data science. First of all, data scientists at Netflix are involved in consultancy tasks, determining which elements in future movies will be most successful. In this way, series such as Orange is the New Black and House of Cards have been created. In these cases, data scientists still focused on the evaluation part of the CRISP-DM cycle. They just provided advice. However, as Provost and Fawcett wrote in the book, sometimes data science methods used for consultancy are deployed themselves. For example, data scientists at Netflix developed an application that reviews which future movies Netflix users are likely to pick based on their previously selected films. Or they even developed an application that predicts what scripts movies must have in order to be more successful. Let's take another company, for example. In the case of Airbnb, we see data scientists developing IT products. IT deployments that let customers and renters connect with each other. These products have the concern of the non-data scientists as well, both inside Airbnb as well as its partners outside of the companies, homeowners and their guests. Here, data scientists may be involved with the IT products they have delivered, but they may not be able to retain full control of them. However, in other projects, the data science staff is fully involved in the whole CRISP-DM cycle. They are involved with planning, with testing, A/B experiments, and that is followed by evaluation and possibly a reiteration of the IT cycle. However, Airbnb has embraced data science so much that data scientists cannot be everywhere in the organization. For that reason, data scientists at Airbnb have developed apps for other parts of the organization, such as an app called Airflow. It has now spun off to Apache. With Airflow, everyone in the organization can set up their own SQL query. Here, data science has, so to speak, moved out of the CRISP-DM cycle, so allowing non-data scientists to develop a data science product even further. So everyone is a data scientist in a particular way of speaking. So we see that the CRISP-DM cycle allows us to discover, and even more importantly, allows us to make sense of a whole diverse range of data science applications. Well, thanks for your time.